Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can link Facebook page to Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Now to link your Facebook to Messenger, all you have to do is simply go ahead and log in with your page on your Facebook. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch to that. Once you have done that, when you can go ahead, tap on the messaging icon, and it will simply direct you to the Messenger, and it will simply switch to that page automatically. If let's say that does not happen, what you can do is you can go to the menu on your Messenger, tap on your account and switch to your page account like that, and then it will simply be connected likewise like that. All you have to do is simply log in with them, and when you have this message icon on top, it will simply direct to the Messenger automatically and will link the account like that. That's all you have to do. It's that easy. Hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.